Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a tick symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to insert the tick symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC or computer, just do this. So first of all, click on the insert option, then you just need to click on the symbol option. So actually it will be on the custom symbol option. You can see the tick symbol here. So if you don't find this here, just click on the more symbol option. Then you just want to change this font. If it will font like this, you just want to click this and click on the W option. So it will shows this, and just scroll down, you will see a lot of options like winding 1, 2, 3 like that. You just want to choose the windings. So here just scroll down to the bottom section, you can find different type of symbols. For an example, you can find two different symbols like tick symbol like this, and click on this more symbol. You can see this tick symbol like this. These are the two different symbols that you can just insert on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.